Are you looking for the best mini table saws in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best mini table saws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. Rockwell BladeRunner X2 Portable Tabletop Saw. If you love doing DIY carpentry jobs in your home, this mini table saw is a great choice for your jobs. It is a convenient table saw that you could move to work from various locations. Setting up the table saw takes a few minutes, thus, it is a great choice for beginners. Working with this table saw is made comfortable for all as it has a handle for holding when cutting. So, rest assured you will only get precise cuttings when working with the tool. Another feature that I enjoy about this mini table saw is the versatility. I mean, you can use it to make multiple cuts like rip, cross, scroll, and miter cuts. It also allows flexibility in blade installation as you can install any blade brand as long it is 4 inches T-shark blade. At number 4. Dewalt Table Saw for Jobsite. This is a compact table saw convenient for outdoor jobs since it is easy to transport. Although the table saw has a compact style, it functions just like other large models. For example, the fence is adjustable, so you can easily cut from different angles and work on different project sizes. This proves that this table saw is versatile in cutting. It can cut an object with 24.5 inches rip capacity and size of 4x8 plywood, or OSB qualifies it as a great professional mini table saw. At number 3. Skil 3550-02 7-inch Wet Tile Saw. You don't need to invest in a large table saw for your tile jobs as this compact model is quite convenient. It is made with potent cutting power, and it supports a tile with a size of up to 18 by 18 inches. I would recommend it for commercial tile installation jobs. The tool is comfortable to tag along for outdoor jobs since it weighs 24 pounds. Other features you will love on the tool include a water reservoir system that cools the blade and reduces dust for easy cleaning. The bevel also adjusts to cut tiles from multiple angles of up to 45 degrees. At number 2. PORTERCABLE PCE980 Wet Tile Saw. If you are looking for a perfect tool for miter cutting when building doors or cabinets, this table saw is a great choice. The tool comes with an onboard miter square to achieve perfect miter cuts by aligning the objects. This table saw has a reasonable working speed of up to 2,850 revolutions per minute, and it has quality material crafting to handle tough objects. You don't need to deal with dust blowing around when working since this tool has a water reservoir to control dust and debris. Also, the water helps to cool the blade for long use. At number 1. Upgrade Version Table Saw Mini Precision Table Saws. This versatile mini table saw would serve you for a long time since it is made with high-quality aluminum alloy materials. The tool has a great motor that works at a maximum speed of 7,000 revolutions per minute. Weighing just 4.2 kilograms, carrying this mini table saw to use from different locations is easy and convenient. The tool also has 7-to-7 class adjustable speed power so that you can achieve varying cutting options. Rest assured to achieve precise cuts when working with this table saw since the working table has a ruler. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.